Hi everyone, my name is Taylor Campbell, and today I'll be telling you all about how to use the Web 2.0 tool TimeToast. TimeToast can be found at www.timetoast.com. TimeToast is a great tool for creating timelines. It's very simple, and you can add as many events as you'd like. Each event can include text and an image. TimeToast is great for history, science, English, and scheduling. It can be used in lots of different classrooms for different ages. When you're editing a page, you can add events, time spans, images, and view your entire timeline. You can create an event. You can add a title, an image, a specific date, a description, and even a link to another site. Here is a final version of a timeline, a bunch of different events, and lots of useful information. The only requirement for this tool is internet access. I prefer to use Google Chrome, but you can also use Firefox, Safari, Internet Explorer, or any other web browser that you prefer. There's 3 different versions of TimeToast. The free version includes ads, and it only allows 1 user. There's no collaboration tools or groups in the free version. The basic version is $5.99 a month. Up to 5 users can edit the timelines, and there are no ads for this one. The Pro version is probably best for a classroom setting. It's $8.99 a month, and up to 35 users can access and edit any of the timelines. There's also no ads here either. Here's some pros and cons. The pros, the free version is just as useful as paid versions. You can only have one person editing at a time, but it has all the useful applications as the paid versions. It's very direct and it's easy to use. You can add as many events as you need to. You can also add links to other helpful resources, and your profile is public, so you can use it in the classroom and publish everything online. Some cons, the theme is very basic. You can't customize your timelines, add colors or background or anything. The free version does include ads, and that is a little distracting, and only 1 user can use it at a time. Image upload can be a little bit slow, depending, of course, on your web browser and your computer system. Here's a little bit about my experience using TimeToast. It's relatively easy. I was able to create a timeline in just minutes. Adding titles, images, and information is really, really simple. TimeToast timelines are easy to access as well. You can browse through several categories. There's all the categories listed. You can also search by keyword. And you can also look through the categories: popular timelines, the latest timelines, and recently updated timelines.
Hello everyone, I'm going to tell you how to use TimeToast. It's a great website for creating timelines for different subject areas. The website is www.timetoast.com. Once you get there, you can log in. It'll take you directly to your dashboard. This is where you can edit all of your timelines, or you can search for new timelines or browse different categories. Down here is your dashboard. This will tell you where your timelines are at. For example, I already created one timeline, Life in the 1960s. If you click on Actions, it will show you how you can edit timeline, delete timeline, collaborate with others, or make your timeline public. I will create a new timeline. You just click Add a new timeline. You can have as many as you'd like. The title goes here. You can choose a category, and you can add an image. You can change your image, upload your image, or clear the image that you've already had. You just click on Create Timeline. Take 1 moment and you'll be on your editing page. Here you can view your timeline, collaborate with others, or make it public as well. In order to add an event, you can add as many events as you want. You just click Add an Event. Type the event, the date. You can choose an image. Here you can go and choose an image that you've already uploaded, or you can create one or upload one from your computer. Then you can add a description and create your event. When you click on your event, you can edit it. You can change your image, the title, add more into your description. You can even insert a link into your description as well. So there you go. You can add another event. Name this event 2. Event 2. Change the date to 2011. You can also add an image for that one and create your events. And they'll both be on there, and you can see them both. You can also edit your title and picture and add a time span. A time span is the hours or the years that are listed down below. You can add a time span if you're doing a very large time span. You can break it up into different times. So that is how you create a timeline. You can also browse timelines. There's lots of different categories. You can use any or see any of them that are public. You can also search if you wanted to search for musical instruments. We'll find some search results here. About 250 timelines about musical instruments from the 8 eras of history, music and society, and it took less than a second. So there's all kinds of timelines you can use to implement in the classroom. You can go back to your dashboard and there will tell you your 2 timelines are created. So that's a really easy way to use TimeToast. It's great for using in the classroom to make timelines, schedules, all sorts of things. It can be used in lots of different subject areas. And it's very, very simple.
So here are 3 different ways that you can use TimeToast in the classroom. I'm going to be working with middle school students, so this is kind of geared toward that. Students can create subject-related timelines to share with the class as a presentation. They can use this for history. You can do character development and stories for language arts. You can do scientific sequencing for science, the scientific method, that sort of thing. And then even for math, you can do the production of a detailed math problem, different steps to take to find the math problem. Also, a teacher can create a subject-related timeline and use as a study tool. It can be published to a class website, and it could be used just basically for studying for an exam or a quiz or something, or you could actually have students fill out descriptions for the different events as a homework assignment or a quiz or even a test. You can also use TimeToast as a scheduling tool for class assignments, tests, and due dates. And here are a few helpful links for using TimeToast. The first one is ealverson.wordpress.com. This gives a really detailed description of sign up and setup, and lots of really cool ideas of how to incorporate this into the classroom. The next is an EDU blog. It is a digital dollar, and they provide affordable strategies to bridge the digital divide. And they mention TimeToast as an excellent way to use timelines in class. They talk about how you don't just need it for history, but you can do biographies, use it in science, and even math problems. And then last is Wikibooks. This gives a really great basic information about TimeToast, and it incorporates teaching and learning possibilities. So those are some really helpful links that you can use if you're looking to use TimeToast. So that is how you use TimeToast. Again, you can find it at www.timetoast.com. Thank you so much for watching.